Picture this. You're standing at a crossroads, the path ahead shrouded in mystery and possibilities. Now, imagine if just two simple words could illuminate that path, guiding you toward a life of abundance and fulfillment. Because today, we're not just talking about any words, we're delving into two extraordinary words that carry the power to transform your reality, to turn dreams into tangible experiences. But here's the catch. These words are not magic spells or secret codes. They are gateways to a profound truth that lies within each of us, a truth so impactful yet so often overlooked. Stay with me as we embark on a journey to uncover these words, weaving through tales of wonder, personal insights, and the hidden wisdom of ages. By the end of our time together, you'll not only know these two words, but also understand how to harness their true power in your everyday life. Are you ready to unlock the secret? Let's dive in. Words, in their essence, are not just mere symbols of communication. They are the architects of our reality, the painters of our inner thoughts, and the composers of our emotional symphonies. Each word we utter, each word we think, weaves into the tapestry of our existence. Now, imagine the boundless power of two simple yet profound words. These aren't just any words. They are the keys to unlocking the full spectrum of human potential. Let's take a moment to reflect on how words have influenced history. Think of speeches that have moved nations, books that have opened minds, and conversations that have healed hearts. Words have the power to uplift, to destroy, to change the very course of humanity. Yet, in the everyday hustle, we often forget this power, letting words slip by, unacknowledged, unappreciated. As we journey towards the revelation of these two transformative words, let's ponder on the role words play in our lives. How often do we choose them with care? How often do we let them flow unguarded? The words we choose to resonate with, to repeat, to believe in, shape our experiences, our identities, and ultimately our destinies. But before we unveil these words, let's set the stage. Let's delve into the science of manifestation, the psychology behind belief, and the action that turns thought into reality. It's a dance of the mind and the will, a synergy that creates a force stronger than any individual component. Throughout this video, I'll be sharing stories, insights, and even some surprising facts about how words can shape our reality. We'll explore how the greatest achievers in history have harnessed the power of their words and how you too can apply this in your life. And as we edge closer to the big reveal, let your curiosity spark. Start thinking about what these words could be. How have they appeared in your life, perhaps unnoticed, or maybe central to your biggest achievements? The anticipation is part of the adventure, and trust me, the wait will be worth it. Before we unveil these transformative words, let's explore the concept of intention behind the language. Every word we speak carries a weight, an intention that can either build or break, heal or harm. It's not just about the words themselves, but the energy, the emotion, and the power we imbue them with. This understanding elevates our conversation from mere semantics to a deeper realization of how language shapes our reality, relationships, and self-identity. Reflect on moments in your life where words have had a significant impact. Perhaps it was a teacher who believed in you, a friend who offered encouragement during tough times, or even a stranger's words that resonated deeply. These moments highlight the profound influence that words, infused with positive intention, can have. And it's not just about spoken words. The written word, too, holds immense power. The books that have stood the test of time, the letters that have changed the course of history, and the personal journals that hold our deepest fears and highest hopes, all are testaments to the enduring power of words. In a world inundated with information, where words are constantly thrown at us from screens and speakers, it becomes even more crucial to discern and choose the words that align with our true selves. Words are not just tools for communication. They are vessels for our thoughts, emotions, and intentions. They have the power to shape our consciousness and, by extension, the world around us. So, as we stand on the brink of revealing these two powerful words, ask yourself, How will you choose to wield the power of your words? How will you let them shape your story from this moment forward? Stay with me as we're about to embark on the final leg of our journey, revealing not just two words, but a new perspective on the power you hold within your voice. As we approach this pivotal moment, let's take a brief journey through the power of belief and action. These concepts are integral to understanding the significance of the two words we're about to reveal. Belief, in its essence, is the foundation upon which possibilities are built. It's the fuel for our dreams, the bedrock of our aspirations. Without belief, our words are merely echoed in the void, lacking the power to manifest. But belief alone isn't enough. It must be paired with action, deliberate, purposeful action. Action is the vehicle that moves us from mere thought to tangible reality. It's the process of turning the intangible, our hopes, dreams, and words, into the tangible. Together, belief and action create a synergy, a dynamic force that can reshape our lives. Now, since we are talking about the power of words, you must take advantage of this opportunity and share your desire with the universe. While you are watching this video, write in the comments section, "I deserve abundance and prosperity in 2024. Now think about the times in your life when you've experienced this synergy, when your belief in a dream was so strong that it propelled you into action, when your actions aligned with your words and your words were a reflection of your innermost beliefs. These moments are the embodiment of the power we're about to unveil. As we stand on the brink of this revelation, it's essential to remember that these two words are more than just a mantra or a simple phrase. They are a mindset, a way of living. They represent a commitment to oneself, to believe in your worth, your dreams, and your capabilities, and to take the necessary steps to turn those beliefs into reality. So, here we are, at the heart of our journey. The two words that can manifest everything for you, that hold the key to unlocking your deepest potential and transforming your reality are believe and act. Simple yet profound. Believe, to hold in your heart the conviction that what you desire is possible, and act, to take the steps, big or small, towards making it a reality. These words, belief and act, are not just a formula. They are a philosophy. They are about aligning your thoughts, words, and actions toward a singular goal. It's about creating harmony within yourself, where your beliefs fuel your actions and your actions reinforce your beliefs. After discussing the profound impact of words, let me share with you two short stories that perfectly illustrate the power of believe and act. These narratives are not just tales, they are testaments to the strength that lies in these two simple words. The first story is the story of the dreamer who believed and acted. Once, there was a young artist with dreams bigger than their small town. Everyone around them said these dreams were too lofty, too unreachable, but this artist believed with every fiber of their being. They started creating, putting their soul into their work and acting on their belief every day. Years later, this once small-town dreamer became a renowned name in the art world. Their belief, coupled with consistent action, transformed their dream into reality. The second story is the story of the unlikely athlete. Consider the story of an athlete who was told they'd never compete at a high level due to their physical limitations. Instead of accepting this as a final verdict, they chose to believe in their potential. Day in and day out, they trained, pushing past their limits, acting on their belief. Their journey wasn't easy, filled with setbacks and challenges, but their unwavering belief and persistent action led them to eventually compete and succeed on a national stage. These stories are a testament to the power of belief and act. They show us that it's not just about having faith or just about taking steps. It's the combination of both that creates magic. I invite you to reflect on how believe and act can manifest in your life. Start small if you need to. Believe in your ability to make a change, and then take that first step. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. I encourage you to share your thoughts, experiences, and how you plan to apply these two powerful words in your life in the comments below. If this message resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more content that empowers and inspires. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember, the words you choose to live by can shape your destiny. Believe in your dreams, act with intention, and watch as the world opens up to you. Until next time, keep believing, keep acting, and keep manifesting your dreams.